These aren't just random products, these are things that actually upgrade your daily life, from small upgrades to things you'll use every day. Here are 30 Amazon products that are 100% worth it. This automatic soap dispenser is one of those small upgrades that instantly makes your daily routine feel more modern and convenient. The touchless sensor means you don't have to press anything, which is more hygienic and perfect for kitchens or bathrooms. It also helps control the amount of soap you use, reducing waste over time. The wall-mounted design keeps your space clean and clutter-free, giving it a more minimalist look. It's especially useful in busy households where convenience matters. Once you get used to it, going back to a manual dispenser feels outdated and less practical. Cleaning can be one of the most exhausting tasks at home, but this electric spin scrubber completely changes that. Instead of scrubbing by hand, this tool rotates automatically, removing dirt and grime with much less effort. It's perfect for bathrooms, tiles, kitchens, and even outdoor surfaces. The different brush heads make it versatile for multiple cleaning needs. It saves time, reduces strain on your hands, and delivers better results. What used to take a lot of effort now becomes quick and efficient. It's a simple upgrade that makes cleaning easier and far more manageable. This cordless handheld vacuum is one of those tools you end up using every single day. It's lightweight, portable, and perfect for quick cleanups around the house or in your car. Whether it's crumbs on the sofa, dust on shelves, or small messes, it handles everything effortlessly. The cordless design makes it extremely convenient, so you don't have to deal with cables or bulky machines. It's especially useful for maintaining cleanliness without needing a full vacuum session. A small device that makes a big difference in keeping your space consistently clean. If your kitchen feels cluttered, this magnetic spice rack is a simple but powerful solution. It attaches directly to your fridge or any metal surface, instantly creating extra storage without taking up counter space. It keeps your spices visible, organized, and easy to access while cooking. This not only saves time, but also makes your kitchen look cleaner and more aesthetic. It's perfect for small kitchens where space is limited. A small upgrade that improves both functionality and appearance in a very noticeable way. These airtight containers are one of the easiest ways to upgrade your kitchen instantly. They keep your food fresh for longer while eliminating messy packaging and clutter. The transparent design lets you see everything at a glance, so nothing gets forgotten. They also stack neatly, helping you maximize space in your cabinets or pantry. It's not just about organization, it's about efficiency and reducing waste. Your kitchen will look cleaner, more modern, and much more functional. A simple change that makes everyday cooking and storage easier. This back scrubber solves a problem most people don't even realize they have. It allows you to properly clean hard-to-reach areas in the shower without effort. The anti-slip design keeps it stable while you use it, making it safe and comfortable. It improves hygiene while also providing a relaxing experience, almost like a mini spa at home. It's simple, but once you try it, you'll notice the difference immediately. A small addition to your bathroom that upgrades your daily routine in a very practical way. If you already use an air fryer, this accessory set takes it to the next level. It allows you to cook more types of meals while improving efficiency and results. From baking to grilling, these accessories expand what your air fryer can do. They also help keep your appliance cleaner and easier to maintain. It's a simple way to get more value out of something you already use. Instead of just reheating food, you turn your air fryer into a much more versatile kitchen tool. These slippers might look unusual, but they're a clever way to keep your floors cleaner with almost no effort. As you walk around your home, the microfiber material picks up dust and dirt naturally. It turns everyday movement into light cleaning without you even noticing. While it won't replace deep cleaning, it helps maintain a cleaner space between sessions. It's simple, practical, and surprisingly effective. A small lifestyle upgrade that keeps your home looking better with minimal effort. This lint roller is a great upgrade from traditional disposable ones. Instead of constantly replacing sticky sheets, you can simply wash and reuse it again and again. It removes hair, dust, and lint effectively from clothes, furniture, and more. It's more eco-friendly and cost-efficient over time. The performance is just as good, if not better, than regular lint rollers. A simple product that solves a common problem in a smarter way, making your daily routine easier and more sustainable. This oil sprayer gives you much more control when cooking. Instead of pouring too much oil, it creates a fine, even mist that covers your food perfectly. This helps reduce waste and makes cooking healthier without sacrificing flavor. It's ideal for air fryers, salads, and pans. It also keeps your kitchen cleaner by avoiding spills. It may seem like a small change, but once you use it, you'll notice how much more precise and convenient your cooking becomes. A good pillow can completely change the way you sleep, and these cooling pillows are designed to do exactly that. They help regulate temperature throughout the night, preventing overheating and improving overall comfort. The breathable materials allow better airflow, which is especially useful if you tend to wake up feeling too warm. They also provide proper support for your neck and head, reducing stiffness and improving sleep quality. Over time, better sleep translates into more energy, better focus, and improved mood during the day. It's one of those upgrades that doesn't seem dramatic at first, but once you experience it, you realize how much it impacts your daily life. This oversized wearable blanket combines comfort and practicality in a very simple way. It keeps you warm like a blanket, but allows you to move freely like a hoodie. Perfect for relaxing at home, working, or watching movies without constantly adjusting layers. The soft interior makes it extremely comfortable, especially during colder months. It may look oversized, but that's exactly what makes it so effective. Once you try it, you'll find yourself using it far more than expected. It's one of those products that turns simple moments at home into a much more comfortable experience. This tablet stand is designed for comfort and convenience, especially when using devices for long periods. Instead of holding your tablet or phone, you can rest it securely at the perfect angle. It's ideal for watching videos, reading, or even working from bed or the couch. The soft, lightweight design makes it easy to move around, while still providing stable support. It reduces strain on your hands and neck, which makes a big difference over time. A simple product that improves how you interact with your devices every day. Weighted blankets are designed to provide a calming effect by applying gentle, even pressure across your body. This can help reduce stress, improve sleep quality, and create a more relaxing experience overall. It feels like a light, comforting hug, which many people find incredibly soothing. It's especially useful if you struggle with restlessness or difficulty falling asleep. While it may feel unusual at first, most people quickly get used to it and notice the benefits. A simple upgrade that can significantly improve your rest and relaxation. These curtains do more than just look good. They help block out light, reduce noise, and improve privacy in your home. The thicker material creates a more comfortable environment, especially for sleeping or relaxing. They also add a more premium, finished look to any room. It's a simple way to upgrade your space without major changes. Better lighting control means better sleep and a more comfortable atmosphere throughout the day. A small investment that improves both aesthetics and functionality. Messy cables can instantly make any space look cluttered, but this cable management box solves that problem cleanly. It hides power strips and cables inside a simple enclosure, creating a much more organized and minimal look. It also protects cables from dust and accidental damage. The design keeps everything accessible while removing visual clutter. It's perfect for desks, living rooms, or entertainment areas. Once you use it, you'll notice how much cleaner and more put together your space feels. A small upgrade with a surprisingly big visual impact. This charging station simplifies your daily routine by powering multiple devices in one place. Instead of dealing with separate cables, you can charge your phone, smartwatch, and earbuds all at once. It reduces clutter and keeps everything organized on your desk or bedside table. It's especially useful at night, when you want everything ready for the next day. The clean design also adds a modern touch to your setup, a practical solution that makes everyday charging more convenient and efficient. These LED strip lights are a simple way to transform the atmosphere of any room. You can customize colors, brightness, and effects to match your mood or environment. Whether you want a relaxing setup or a more vibrant space, they give you full control. They're easy to install and work well behind desks, TVs, or along walls. It's an affordable upgrade that makes your space feel more modern and personalized. A small change that creates a noticeable difference. A smart plug turns any regular device into a smart one. You can control it remotely using your phone or set schedules for automatic operation. This means you can turn lights or appliances on and off without being physically there. It's convenient, energy efficient, and adds a level of automation to your home. Over time, it simplifies routines and reduces unnecessary energy use. A small device that brings a lot of functionality into your daily life. This wearable neck fan is a practical solution for staying cool without using your hands. You simply wear it around your neck and it provides constant airflow wherever you go. It's perfect for hot days, travel, or outdoor activities. Unlike traditional fans, it allows you to stay comfortable while moving freely. It may look unusual, but it's surprisingly effective. Once you use it, especially in warm environments, you'll appreciate how convenient and refreshing it is. A white noise machine is one of the simplest ways to improve your sleep quality and focus. It creates consistent background sound that helps block out distractions like traffic, neighbors, or sudden noises. This makes it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. It's also great for working or studying, especially if you need a calm and controlled environment. The different sound options allow you to find what works best for you. Over time, it can help build a more consistent routine and improve rest. A small device that can make a noticeable difference in your daily performance. This clip-on pasta strainer is a simple but very effective upgrade for your kitchen. Instead of using a large colander, you attach it directly to your pot and drain water instantly. It saves space, reduces mess, and makes cooking more efficient. You don't need to transfer food or worry about spills. It's especially useful if you cook often and want to simplify your workflow. The flexible design works with different pot sizes, making it very practical. A small change that makes everyday cooking faster and more convenient. This laptop stand improves both comfort and productivity by raising your screen to a more ergonomic height. It helps reduce neck and back strain, especially if you work long hours at a desk. The adjustable design allows you to find the perfect angle for your setup. It also improves airflow under your laptop, helping with cooling. Over time, better posture leads to less discomfort and better focus. It's one of those upgrades that you don't fully appreciate until you start using it every day. A simple tool that makes a big difference. An electric toothbrush is one of the easiest ways to upgrade your daily routine. It provides more consistent and effective cleaning compared to a manual brush. The vibrations help remove plaque more efficiently while being gentle on your gums. Many models also include timers to ensure you brush for the recommended time. Over time, this can lead to better oral health and fewer dental issues. It's a small change that improves something you do every single day. A practical upgrade with long-term benefits. This wall-mounted shampoo dispenser helps eliminate clutter in your shower while making everything easier to use. Instead of multiple bottles, you get a clean and organized setup. It also dispenses a controlled amount each time, reducing waste. The design creates a more minimalist and premium look in your bathroom. It's especially useful in shared spaces where organization matters more. A simple upgrade that improves both functionality and aesthetics. This shower caddy adds extra storage without taking up valuable space. It allows you to keep all your essentials organized and within reach. The wall-mounted design keeps everything off the floor, making your shower look cleaner and more spacious. It's easy to install and works well in most bathrooms. Having everything neatly arranged also makes your daily routine more efficient, a small change that makes your bathroom feel much more organized. A water flosser is a powerful upgrade for your oral hygiene routine. It uses a stream of water to clean between teeth and along the gum line more effectively than traditional floss. It's easier to use, especially for people who find flossing uncomfortable. Over time, it helps improve gum health and reduce plaque buildup. It's quick, efficient, and makes daily care more consistent. A simple device that can have a long-term impact on your dental health. These glasses help reduce eye strain caused by screens, which is especially important if you spend a lot of time on your phone or computer. They filter out blue light, making it easier on your eyes and potentially improving sleep quality at night. Many people notice less fatigue and fewer headaches after using them regularly. It's a small adjustment that can make long work sessions more comfortable. A practical upgrade for modern daily life. This posture corrector helps train your body to maintain better alignment throughout the day. It gently pulls your shoulders back, encouraging a more natural and healthy position. Over time, this can reduce discomfort and improve overall posture. It's especially useful if you spend long hours sitting. While it may feel unusual at first, it becomes more comfortable with use. A simple tool that helps correct a very common problem. This paper organizer keeps your desk clean and structured by giving everything a designated place. Instead of piles of papers, you can separate documents into different levels for easy access. It improves workflow and reduces visual clutter, which helps you stay more focused. The vertical design also saves space on your desk. It's a simple organizational upgrade that makes your workspace feel more professional and efficient.